good.
Good.
Yeah, just flip it around towards you, and then, yeah.
Good morning. We went to Bissingers today. Bissingers has 2 locations in St. Louis. There is the factory downtown that also has a store, and then there is a store within Plaza Frontenac, which is a mall in the area. We chose to go to the location at the Plaza Frontenac Mall today. If you saw my last Bissingers video, you know they also do delivery, but since the chocolate covered blackberries need to be refrigerated right away, we chose to just go pick them up at the location. The chocolate covered blackberries are only available in the month of September at Bissingers. So let me just show you what we picked up real quick. They started putting out their seasonal. So this is malted milk balls, pumpkin spice malted milk balls. I've never had these. I just thought it looked really interesting. So I picked that up. And then of course, the box of chocolate covered blackberries. I will open that in a minute. And then they had a sell for their just plain old chocolate. These boxes were half off. And this is just plain chocolate. You can see it's like, it is in like cooking form. Like these pieces break off very easily. And I got the milk chocolate version. I don't even know what the price was. She forgot to give me my receipt, but whatever it was half off. All 3 of these items together was $109. It is not cheap chocolate. So we get this a lot, a couple times a year. So this is the newest box. It's just a little different. I don't want to open it. I don't want to break the seal, but I wanted to show you what I'm talking about. This is I think I got this in February, and I use it for baking and I use it for snacking. This is all I have left. So it's one big bar, and it's just easy to break. They melt so well in the microwave or on top of the stove, or sometimes I just eat it like a bar of chocolate. And to me, it's just one of the best plain milk chocolates in the world. So that's why I get those, and that's why when I saw they had this 50% off, I knew I was almost out, so I got a new box. So anyway, let me get my husband, and we will test these 2 products. Actually, let me open it real quick before I flip the camera around so you can see what it looks like. If I could hold on one second while I move the camera. All right. They did tie it with a fancy ribbon that now there we go. Break the seal. Oh my God, this is not easy. All right, there we go. So basically they look like chocolate covered strawberries, but they are chocolate covered blackberries. So this is 1 pound of chocolate covered blackberries. So you can see there's 2 on top. Let me take those out. And then there is how many more on this level? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 10 blackberries was 1 pound. So yeah, let me get Robert and we will eat some chocolate covered blackberries. All right, I can tell already these are gonna be messy, like chocolate covered strawberries. So, and it's definitely, you gotta eat them pretty quickly. The juice is starting to leak out. So, and we got milk chocolate. You could also have the option of getting dark chocolate, but I'm a milk chocolate girl. And Robert do you prefer dark over milk?
No.
Do you like milk?
I like the milk, especially with the juice and stuff in them.
All right, so.
It's too dark, I think.
All right.
You know what I mean? It's more.
It was your mom who liked dark chocolate. Is that who I keep getting confused?
Yeah.
Oh my God, it's falling apart. Can you see that? Oh my god. There's a blackberry and there's white cream around it. What? Oh, I'm making a mess. What is that white cream? How do they do that?
Oh my god, you're making a mess.
I am making a mess. Look at that. Look at that syrup. Look at that huge blackberry. That blackberry is huge. I'm gonna have to wipe down the counters. There is juice. Look at that juice.
Where are they getting blackberries like that? Holy.
I don't. Who grows blackberries like that? How do they grow blackberries like that? It's really good. I actually haven't got to the blackberry part yet. The chocolate's really good. Oh, too big of a bite. Oh, really good. It's kind of like a tart blackberry. It's not too sweet at all. And it's not too seedy. I like blackberries, but they're not my favorite because of all the seeds, but I don't know if they got rid of I don't know. There's little seeds, but not too many seeds. Robert, who do you see?
I don't know. I see some monkey business going on.
There's always cats watching us. All right, Robert, try one. So, what do you think?
I'll try it. It's fine.
It's only once a year. You only get these once a year. So we picked these up this morning, and the juice is already like escaping. I should have asked the lady when she had made them.
Step over a little bit if you can't. Oh, you can't. The camera won't move it here.
I can move the camera. Okay, you see that? You see that?
There's a cat that's hidden behind the pole.
There's cats always watching. Oh, there. Oh, I had the wrong spot. See where? Right there.
There she is.
She's always watching. Always watching. It doesn't help that we're watching Ghost Adventures, so everything is like extra creepy in the house. Oh my god, that's good.
Here's an example, I think, of what these are so fresh. That hasn't melted yet. Do you see the inside?
Oh.
You can show that.
Okay, that's right. Robert did the perfect bite. See that cream? So usually if they're older, you don't see the white cream because it dissolves into just clear liquid, kind of like when you eat a chocolate covered cherry. It's always like the clear liquid because it just sits and I don't know.
I don't know. The fruit gets older. And
The fruit gets older and the cream
it melts.
just melts. And so this is, I've never had it where you could still see the white cream. It wasn't. So that is really, really cool. Oh, it's so big. I'm such a pig. Oh, so good.
They're tiny seeds.
They are tiny seeds.
These aren't their normal seeds.
The one thing, because blackberries always get stuck in my teeth, but I'm not feeling that right now. Not an issue. And whatever that cream is, which turns into syrup, as you can see, there's like tons of syrup right there. So good. But you gotta eat these like soon. Like we'll have them consumed like tonight, tomorrow at the latest.
They'll last about a week.
Oh yeah, I mean, if we don't eat them right away, they last about a week.
They gotta be on.
I'm looking at the box. I'm considering a third. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do a third. It's just a taste test.
Here she is.
The cat's panthering in. Oh my god. That was so good. If you're not from the St. Louis area, I'm not for sure if they'll ship the blackberries because it's different. Like last week when we did the raspberry creams, those have a longer shelf life and they don't really melt during transit like with the normal cooler. These chocolate covered blackberries, I'm not for sure if they would ship well. So it might just be a local thing, but if you're, check out your local chocolate shop, see if they're making chocolate covered blackberries because they are just so good. And every like state, their blackberry season is different. I think Illinois kind of ends in July. We're in Missouri, so it did end in July. That's our local farm farm, pick your own vegetable farm. I think the July was the last week that you could get blackberries, and it is September now, so I'm not for sure how Bissingers has blackberries. Maybe I don't know. I'm not gonna speculate. Their blackberry season is September. All right, we're gonna try this other thing real quick. These are malted milk balls, and they are pumpkin spice flavored, and my hands are so sticky now because of those blackberries. And this container, like, is impossible to get open. It is impossible to get open. I'm gonna have to put them in a different container because I'm ripping this lid trying to get it open. All right, malted milk balls. I have not had a malted milk ball forever, but I saw it was pumpkin spice, total seasonal. I just wanted to try it. Wow. You have to like pumpkin pie. If you're not a fan of pumpkin, you're not gonna like this. It tastes like pumpkin pie. Robert, try one. He loves pumpkin pie.
Yeah.
And they're not too hard.
Oh yeah, pumpkin spice.
Pumpkin spice. Because you know how like when you get the malted milk balls from the grocery store and they're so hard they're gonna like break your teeth? I'm not worried about breaking my teeth on these.
It's like one of those drinks that you get from Starbucks. What is it? Like
a pumpkin spice drink?
yeah.
I don't
That
know.
frothy, whatever.
This is what we love about Halloween. All things pumpkin spice. What do you think that is? Like a white chocolate around it? That's dusted orange? It's got the malted center, but there's chocolate around it. But it don't really taste like milk chocolate. That crunching that you hear besides me is also the cat. Robert's feeding the cat. We both crunch pretty loudly. Okay, these are addictive. It's bugging me. What do you think is coating it?
I don't know. It's a pumpkin spice flavor.
Let me see if I can bite half of it so we can see what the middle looks like. See? It is chocolate. But then you see the milk chocolate, you see the malt. I don't know what the outer layer is. I'm going to assume it's some kind of white chocolate with orange coloring. Oh my god, I gotta stop. I could eat this whole thing. And this was expensive too. I think this was like $29.99. I know, seriously. It's expensive, but this is a once a year type of thing. Who am I kidding? I spend so much money on chocolate every week. But I pretend that I only do it seasonal. Oh my god. I don't know what I like better. These pumpkin malted milk balls or the chocolate covered blackberries. I don't know. They're just too, I guess it's apples and oranges because they are both completely different. But here's the rest of them. And they will be gone tonight for sure. There's 1, 2, 3. There's 7 left. How many did you eat?
1.
You had of 8 too.
No, just 1.
Then I can't count. But anyway, they're really good.
Wrapper.
You did only have 1 wrapper. I really can't count. It is 10.
Maybe it was more. I don't know. I don't remember eating it.
No, it's like I'm just trying to be nice and be like divided equally, so you get 5 and I get 5, and it can happen. I'm gonna get like 8 and he's gonna get like 2.
Yeah.
That's how it works in this household. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.